How to use granular chlorine bucket. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's Chlor Brite granular chlorine bucket. Fast dissolving, powerful sanitizer that can be used for both regular, daily chlorination as well as superchlorination. What makes Leslie's Chlor Brite the best granular chlorine on the market? Routine usage directions. Step 1. Turn on the circulation pump and ensure that it is operating properly. Step 2. Broadcast a half ounce of Leslie's Swimming Pool Supplies Chlor Brite per 500 gallons over the surface of the water. Step 3. Test the free available chlorine, FAC, level and add additional Leslie's Swimming Pool Supplies Chlor Brite, if necessary, to attain a 3-5 FAC level. Step 4. After each use, superchlorinate with 1.5 ounces per 500 gallons of Leslie's Swimming Pool Supplies Chlor Brite to control odors and algae. Thank you. I hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa for us.